Hello students, today we are going to learn how to solve linear equation into variable by graph method. For this, take a question, solve the following system of equations by graph method. A, x plus y equal to 3, 3x minus 2y equal to 4. B, x plus 2y equal to 4, 2x plus 4y equal to 16. C, 3x plus 2y equal to 1200, 6x plus 4y is equal to 2400. Solution A. Given equations x plus y equal to 3, equation number 1, 3x minus 2y is equal to 4, equation number 2. From equation 1, y is equal to 3 minus x. Now for different value of x, we find different value of y and write in the table. If x equal to 0, y is equal to 3 minus 0 is 3. If x equal to 1, y is equal to 3 minus 1, 2. If x equal to minus 1, y is equal to 3 minus minus 1, minus minus plus 3 plus 1, 4. Now, we plot the points 0, 3, 1, 2 and minus 1, 4 on graph paper and join them. First point is 0, 3. X coordinate 0, y coordinate 3. 0, 3. Second point is 1, 2. X coordinate 1, y coordinate 2. 1, 2.
Third point is minus 1, 4. X coordinate minus 1, y coordinate 4. Now, join this point with the help of scale.
We get line, we get a line for first equation. From equation 2, minus 2y equal to 4 minus 3x. Minus multiplied both sides. We get 2y equal to minus 4 plus 3x. Transpose 2 to right side. Minus 4 plus 3x upon 2. Now, we find different value of y for different value of x and write in table. Suppose x equal to 0, then y is equal to minus 4 plus 3 into 0 upon 2, minus 4 upon 2, minus 2, 1. Y is equal to minus 4 plus 3 into 1 upon 2, minus 1 upon 2, minus 0.5, 2. Y is equal to minus 4 plus 3 into 2 upon 2. 3 to the 6 minus 4 is 2 upon 2, 1. We plot the points 0 minus 2, 1 minus 0.5 and 2, 1 on same graph paper. First point of second equation is 0 minus 2. X coordinate 0, y coordinate minus 2. 0 minus 2. Second point is 1 minus 0.5. X coordinate 1, y coordinate minus 0.5. 1 minus 0.5. And third point 2, 1. X equal to 2, y equal to 1. Now join these points. This is the line of second equation. 3x minus 2y is equal to 4. Both lines are intersect at point 2, 1. Since the lines are intersect at point 2, 1, therefore solution of the given equation is x equal to 2, y equal to 1. Solution B. Given equations x plus 2y is equal to 4, equation 1, 2x plus 4y is equal to 16, equation 2. From equation 1, 2y is equal to 4 minus x, y equal to 4 minus x upon 2. Now we find different value for y for different value of x and write in table. Suppose x equal to 0, y is equal to 4 minus 0 upon 2, 4 upon 2, 2. Suppose x equal to 1, y is equal to 4 minus 1 upon 2, 3 upon 2, 1.5. Suppose x equal to 2, y is equal to 4 minus 2 upon 2, 2 upon 2, 1. We plot the points on, we plot the points 0 to 1, 1.5 and 2, 1 on graph paper and join them. Scale for both axes First point is 0, 2. X coordinate 0, y coordinate 2. 0, 2. Second point is 1, 1.5. X coordinate 1, y coordinate 1.5. 1, 1.5. Third point is 2, 1. Join them. This is the line for equation x plus 2y is equal to 4. We get a line for equation 1. From equation 2. 4y equal to 16 minus 2x. Y is equal to 16 minus 2x upon 4. Now, we find different value of y for different value of x and write in table. Suppose x is 0, then y is equal to 16 minus 2 into 0 upon 4. We get 16 upon 4 equal to 4. X equal to 1. Y is equal to 16 minus 2 into 1 upon 4. 2 on the 2, 16 minus 2, 14 upon 4, we get 3.5. Suppose x equal to 2. Y is equal to 16 minus 2 multiplied by 2 by 4. 2 to the 4, 16 minus 4, 12 upon 4, we get 3. Now, we plot the points 0, 4, 1, 3.5 and 2, 3 on same graph paper and join them. We get line for equation 2. First point for second equation is 0, 4. X coordinate 0, y coordinate 4. 0, 4. Second point is 1, 3.5. X coordinate 1, y coordinate is 3.5. 1, 3.5. Third coordinate is 2, 3. X coordinate 2, y coordinate 3. Now, join this point with the help of scale. Since lines are parallel to each other, therefore the given system of equation have no solution. Solution C. Given equations 3x plus 2y is equal to 1200, equation 1. 6x plus 4y equal to 2400, equation 2. From equation 1, 2y equal to 1200 minus 3x. Y is equal to 1200 minus 3x upon 2. Now we find different value of y for different value of x and write in table. Suppose x equal to 0, then y is equal to 1200 minus 3 into 0 upon 2. We get 600. Suppose x equal to 100, y is equal to 1200 minus 3 into 100 upon 2. 3 into 100, 300. 1200 minus 300 is 900 upon 2 is equal to 450. Suppose x equal to 200, then 1200 minus 3 into 200 upon 2. 3 to just 600. 1200 minus 600 is 600 upon 2 is 300. Now we plot the points 0, 600, 100, 450 and 200, 300 on graph paper and join them. We get a line for equation . Scale for both axes. 1 centimeter equal to 100 units. Coordinate 0, y coordinate 600. 0, 600. Second point is 100, 450. X coordinate 100, y coordinate 450. 100, 450. Third point is 200, 300. X coordinate 200, y coordinate is 300. 200, 300. Now join them with the help of scale. This is the line for equation 1. 3x plus 2y is equal to 1200. From equation 2, 4y equal to 2400 minus 6x upon y is equal to 2400 minus 6x upon 4. Now we find a different value of y for different value of x and write in table. Suppose x equal to 0, y 2400 minus 6x, 6 into 0 upon 4. 6 into 0, 6. 2400 upon 4, we get 600. Suppose x equal to 100. Y equal to 2400 minus 6 into 100 upon 4. We get 450. Suppose x equal to 200. Y equal to 2400 minus 6 into 200 upon 4. We get 300. Now we plot the points 0, 600, 100, 450 and 200, 300 on same graph paper and join them. We get a line for equation 2. We take same graph paper. First point is 0, 600. Second point is 100, 450. And third point is 200, 300. And we draw a line. We get same line. This line also represents second equation. 6x plus 4y equal to 2400. Since we get coincident lines, therefore the given system of equation have infinitely solutions. Thank you, students.